how to add your country on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile. Now click complete your profile. Scroll all the way down until you find here country. Click on it and then just add it, and that's it. Then just go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.